This is just a wee video to show you how to make a ping pong ball dropper for your RC plane. What I've used, dead simple, a piece of Corex. I've cut it into a square so I could get a square tubular shape. All it is basically just a hollow tube. What I've done at this end, I've put a bungee across here to stop the ping pong balls from falling back out. There's a servo on that end with a long extension arm on the servo. The magazine holds seven ping pong balls, dead easy to load. We can release the balls you can release the balls one at a time with this, or you can release them all at once, all at one. Let's see it working. Servo on, okay. If I flick the switch, I'll get it out one at a time, one ball at a time, or leave it open and they'll all come out in a one. So I'll flick the switch, one ball, two balls, three balls. I'll just let it all go. Perfect. As simple as that, but very effective. You don't have to launch just ping pong balls out it, you could put anything in it at all. Make up anything you can think of. What happens when the prop's going at this end, it's because it's open, the air's blasting through the tube, so anything you put in it will get blown straight out once you're flying. Okay, well we'll go up to the field now and we'll see it going, and we'll give you a look at it in action. Okay.